Hey guys, this is Dr. Collin. We're going to be talking about using the posture pump today. So this is a really nice piece of equipment that is working to try to put a curvature back into your neck. So if I had you tell you that from your x-rays you didn't have much of a curve or you had a reversed curve, this is how we're going to work on trying to get that back. Now I will tell you, if you want very specific instructions, we're also going to have a link to the official posture pump site that talks for about 5 minutes of exactly how to do this. But the biggest thing I try to want you guys to do is you just got to use it. You've got to pull it out and use it on a daily basis. So we're not going to get too technical. All you want to do is make sure that when you lay down on this thing, you're putting it right about here at the base of your neck. So when I get on this, you always want to hit the white button to relieve the pressure from the person before. Pick your head up, shove it against your shoulder blades, settle on it. As you start pumping it up, you're going to feel if you're on here straight. You know, if you got a wiggle or whatever, you do that. I give this thing usually 2 to 3 pumps. Anything between 1 and 7 is fine, and I lay on it. I usually don't recommend more than 3 minutes out of the gate. If you do too much, this will give you a headache, so ease into it. And just keep doing it, guys.